Hello, I'm Sweetie from Access Language School. In this video, I'm going to share collocations in the IELTS speaking test. I'm taking some common topics from the speaking test and going over some of the collocations that you might use in your responses to the examiner's questions. Being able to use collocations in the IELTS speaking test could help you to improve your score for lexical resource, as you'll be demonstrating a wide range of vocabulary. But how can you improve your use of collocations? Here are 3 top tips to help you. My first tip is to aim to learn collocations in the same way that you could learn individual words in English. In other words, by writing them down, writing example sentences and so on. You might find it useful to make a list for doing this. My second tip is to practice using these collocations regularly, both when you are doing preparation for the IELTS test and in every conversation. You may find it useful to record yourself speaking and then listen back and check with collocations you used. Alternatively, try practicing speaking with a buddy. Give them a list of collocations you want to use and then check afterwards which ones you used correctly. My final tip is to try to get your collocations right. If you do use an incorrect collocation, you'll probably still be understood. But if won't sound completely natural. If you are unsure, try using a learner's dictionary to check for collocations. Common collocations will usually be listed and example sentences will be included. Being able to use collocations in the IELTS speaking test will help you to improve your score for lexical resource. Good luck with learning and using collocations. And do you want to know more tips for IELTS preparation? Check out our next video.